I wanna, I put this on drop a while. This is your boy Makatane, the new Pants with 257 Leferke Forest, Mila Samala, Shumpe, Nintombi, Kisi Hamba no Nina. Right now, festive season, and festive season, it's round about October now. So I'm doing this vlog because sengibonile ukuthi ama-vlog ayadlisa yabo. Ya ngizofika ngemiyalelo, ngizofika ngama-video that are informative, azonika information ngezinto zesintu nani, but nama-vlog sengizowenza yabo. So njengoba ngisho ukuthi unyaka sowuphelile, and I just want to take you through the journey of festive season na yonke into eyenzekile kulo nyaka. There'll be clips engizifakayo za April, May, but winter didn't shoot anything. September, October, and then going forward November to December. So yeah, I hope ni grand. This is your boy Makatane, the new age Pantsula 357 Leferke Forest, Mila Samalahle, Umpepeni Intombi icela ukhisi hamba nonina. So please subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Please like and comment kuma comment section. Most of you all ngiyazi ukuthi beningangazi benifuna ukufisa ukubona ukuthi impilo engiphilayo ngiphila kanjani nabo bani. So yeah, please tune in, senze izinto zenzeke, sibe grand. Subscribe, share, and like and comment. Thank you.
Ay, masih pamno.
I wanna, I put this on drop a while so. Kiaka.
What are the pens?
What's on? Kiaka, kiti. Kiaka, kiti. Kodro biaka. Mshimani rata ubona urubara kai. Rata ubona utropia mshimani. Kiaka. Kyona kirwetse ngayona. Kithathile lento kayona mthwi. Wena odrop uthonse dulele so. In everything okayirekanga. Okareka diaparo, okareka basadi, okarekang. Nka se upgrade selo mo.
ba tsa idulele so wa bona le roof e tlo idulele le zenke so ceiling ya hiyo wa ba tlhagisetse mo wang gre so nna ke re mo lona ba o rata ditaba tsa batho lona ba o rata ai wena man lona la bapala raloka lona le rata ditaba tsa ba ke wardrobe ya ka so lona le bona ka re la tsikinyaganyana le tloa dipeini le etsene le nthekele wardrobe ska mpona ka leshira ka malapilapi le putsa gore ye mthako o na le tšhelete a ke na selo le ska tlhaya le nkopa tšhelete ne le ska a ke tlhakana le lona kopana le lona menateng dinyeng le ska ntse re he makatane a ke na selo mshana
uya kae
rona re bomagotsomela mfetsi a re robale re sena 200 e ke a tlhala banna ke a inyaka tšhelete if anyone o na le di-business plan re botseng le rona le re plugeng tlala e phile maatla le re bona re le botse ne le ipotse gore ke ka mogao mara rona re batla saka kontanta no wa bona ke le so ke a shebega ke spectacular so no ra tswa re ba magotsomela tsele tsa go robala di sena 200 sure
sure bafethu ceda kuvuka no yabo ufuna ukuprepare for ulimeke today it's Limeke's event. Just got back from Ipulukwani, Louis Richard, to support my younger brother, my cousin brother, for Christmas. But yeah, mele ngingene efonini nje ku WhatsApp ngithinte wonke umuntu ekumele ngihambe naye because uhamba singumndeni with my sisters and brothers. Understand? So yeah, let's get into it. I hope you're still enjoying the vlog. Stay tuned so that uzobona yonke into echunakele. Thank you.
Siham salida.
Imali ngesoda ayisuka ngavoza wazanza ukukhwazela ayisuka uyangijova ithi imali ngesoda senzani ayisuka ngavoza wazanza ukukhwazela
Right.